Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be creating a full face of makeup tutorial using all of my current favorite makeup products. So without further ado, let's just jump into it. So at the moment, my favorite base product is the Clinique Even Better Makeup SPF 15. This guy here. I love this product because it's a perfect match for me, and I should probably shake it a little bit. It's a perfect match for me, and it looks very skin-like, and it blends out like a dream. So I'm gonna distribute that with my Dampen Beauty blender. And as you can see, it looks super skin-like, and it's a perfect match for my skin tone, and I just love this product. And actually Julia Adams, whom I follow religiously, convinced me to buy this product, and I do not regret it one bit. And for my concealer, I'm going to be using my Fenty eye brightener. I use this as a concealer too, and I'm just going to take a little bit of this. And what I find very useful is that what I do with this product is I apply it with my fingers. I warm it up with my fingers, and then I blend it out with my beauty sponge. But the first thing I do is to blend it out with my fingers, because I get more of a seamless blend. That's what I do. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is, if you guys have been on my channel for a little bit, you know that I love the Anastasia Beverly Hills Tinted Brow Gel. So this is what I'm going to use for my brows. I love this product because it's just, it just gives my brows a little fluff, and it applies with no fuss, and it just looks perfect. Now for my bronzer, I'm actually going to be using my bronzing drop from Drunk Elephant. This is it. And I'm just going to take a little bit of this on, I'm going to shake it up a little bit. And then I'm going to take a little bit on the top of my hand, and I'm just going to apply a little bit right here and right here. And I'm going to distribute that with my beauty sponge. And I have a little bit left on the back of my hand, so I'm just going to apply a little bit here and a little bit here. And I find that this works really great as a bronzer rather than, I mean, when I mix it with my, my moisturizer, it just looks a little too orangey on me. But as a bronzer though, it looks pretty sweet, right? It looks pretty decent. So that's what I like to do. Now as a blush, I'm going to be using one of my favorite blushes so far. It's been the Clinique Even, Clinique Cheek Pop in the shade, what is this, Honey 17 Black Honey Pop. And I'm going to take this with a Fenty 125 brush, and I'm just going to apply this. Just I think I applied a little bit too much. That's what I do with blush. I go a little bit overboard. I'm gonna apply a little bit on my nose as well, but then I'm gonna take it down with my beauty sponge. Hold on, let's do this. Okay, perfect. Now, next thing we're gonna do is the eyes. My favorite eyeshadow palette has been the Natasha Denona Retro Glam palette, this guy here. And I'm gonna take a MAC 286S. This is my favorite crease brush. And what I'm gonna do is to take, I'm gonna take the shade Fringe right here. And I'm gonna put that on my crease. And what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna take a shader brush and I'm gonna take the same shade Fringe and I'm gonna put that on my lower lash line a little bit. Mostly my outer lower lash line. And the next thing I'm gonna do is to take a Zoeva 231 and I'm gonna take the shade Oz to deepen up my outer upper lash line a little bit. Just like so. And I'm also gonna be dipping into this shade Evergreen a little bit to get more depth. And what I'm gonna do next is to take my blending brush and blend everything out. Okay. Now with my shader brush, I'm gonna take the shade, let's see, what is this called? Marlin. I'm gonna take the shade Marlin here. And I'm gonna put that on my lash line. But I'm leaving this part empty because I want to put a lighter shade on this part of my eye. And I'm going to take my blending brush again and blend everything out. And then I'm going to take my shader brush again, and this time I'm going to dip into the shade Palladian. Palladian, is that what it's called? Palladian. I think that's what it's called, Palladian, this shade here. So, and I'm going to put that on my inner corner. And again, I'm taking my blending brush and blending everything out very lightly. And what I'm going to do is to take a, this is actually a lip brush from Sigma. This is the Sigma L04. And I'm going to take this very detailed brush and I'm going to apply that Palladian shade on my lower lash line and my inner corner. Okay, so this is it for the eyes, you guys. Let's add some mascara. For my mascara, I'm actually going to be using my MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash. This is actually a perfect mascara for your lower lash line, but I have naturally longer lashes, so I can use this on my upper lash line as well. But instead of doing one coat, which is what I usually just need, I have to do 2 coats, which is fine. Okay, let's add one more coat. Okay, that's it for the eyes. Let's move on to the lips. For the lips, I wanted to use my current favorite lip combo, which is the MAC Soar lip liner. So that's MAC Soar, and then I'm going to be using my MAC lipstick in the shade Stay Curious. Alright you guys, so this is it for the makeup look. I love the makeup look that I came up with today, especially the eyes look stunning. I love this eyeshadow palette, and I think it's very different, and you can come up with a lot of different makeup looks. And so this is today's look, and I've used all of my favorite makeup products in today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!